So hi guys, today I'm going to show you my fidget toys. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start off with this yellow fidget spinner, but it says hand spinner. No idea why. So if you get it out of the pocket, I got this one about a week ago. Spins like that. Alright. You can balance it on your fingers, these toys. Some people say fidget toys aren't good for you, but it's just let you fidget, but schools don't really like them because sometimes the children don't listen in class. So then we have this blue one, which I got about 2.5 weeks ago, something like that. Personally, I prefer the blue one than the yellow one. I just do. This is a lot smoother on me. We can also do this on the table. So then I have two fidget spinners and this fidget cube. So you click, spin, flip, glide, roll and breathe with it. My colours are black and green one. But personally I think it looks really nice. There it is in the box. I really like this packaging. Fidget cube. I like instructions. It just tells you what they have. I'm trying it. This is the little box. Take the lid off. Nearly there. Then you take the toy out. So this bit here, you move it around like that. That's the glide one. This is the switch, I would say. It's actually called the flip, but still. This is the spin thing. Really quick. This is the breathe. It's like it's just really smooth. And like, oh yeah, this is cool. We have these. Is the click, I think. Yeah, 5 of them. And then the next bit are the roll things. You might be thinking, why is there a lot of them? But they all roll, because this is a ball, you just roll it around. And these things, like, there's a lot, and you swing them around. And yeah, this is my fidget. I really like this. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. Like, subscribe this video, and comment if you want more videos. Yeah, I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.